I fucking know how to fix Hemis.
Yeah, yeah.
Turn over, mate. Which one is it actually?
Do you know
This
what the
one
Hemis
here?
are? Yeah.
This one or that one?
I'll say both. Yeah.
Both? Yeah, alright.
Just both in there.
If you had hamstrings like me, you'd be fucking fine. And a bit of bloody wax. We need a bit of bloody wax. This bloody bloke's a bit hairy. I taught ninja.
Oh.
When I was 6.
Alright guys, so I've picked up some random guy I found on the road. What's your name, fella?
I'm bloody Ninja's cousin.
Oh yeah.
Barry.
Ninja's sexier cousin.
I'm Barry from the bush. Ninja's cousin. Oh, yeah! Self-taught genius, child prodigy, massage therapist. Best in the business, but you won't find me online, no! You gotta have word of mouth to find me. I only come down to Melbourne one time a year. So you gotta get me when I'm here.
Oh yeah.
Look at these fucking guns.
Got some character on this man.
What seems to be the trouble with you?
So I pulled you from the road just because my hamstring's a bit cooked, mate. Just wondering if you can help me out.
Yeah, mate. I fucking know how to fix Hemis.
Yeah.
Turn over, mate. Which one is it actually?
Do you know what the
Hemis
are? Yeah.
This one or that one?
I'll say both. Yeah.
Both? Yeah,
just both in there.
If you had hamstrings like me, you'd be fucking fine.
Yeah.
Fit as a fucking fiddle. Fit as a fiddle, mate. Fit as a fiddle.
I'm clearly weak. All right.
Turn over. Jump on.
Yeah. All right.
Which one is it, mate? You don't even fucking know. Come on.
I think it's the right one.
You don't know your own body. It's fucking rule number 1. Know your own body. Nobody else can know your own body like you don't know your own body.
That's
a fucking quote there.
That's a
quote. Fucking bit of bloody wax. We need a bit of bloody wax. This bloody bloke's a bit hairy.
More hair than your freaking head, mate.
Hey.
Hey, I mean, not you.
Hey.
The other guy.
Me cousin Ninja.
Yeah, your cousin.
Yeah, he's been bald for 30 years.
Yeah.
Poor bloke.
Nah, he's alright. He makes up for it for his strength.
Yeah.
So, how long have you known your cousin for, mate?
Oh, since I was born, mate. Bloke's a bit older than me.
Yeah. How old are you, mate?
I'm 33.
Oh man, you look pretty good.
Pretty good for 33.
Yeah. Oh.
How's that, Matty?
Yeah. You done this before, mate?
I taught ninja.
Oh.
When I was 6. Taught him everything I know.
Far out.
He knows.
Yeah.
Everything he knows.
You
Fucking
kids
comes.
at school, mate?
Yeah, Barry knows best. That's what they used to say back when I was 6.
Barry knows best.
Barry knows best. Barry's my best teacher.
Oh, shit.
Fuck, there you go.
Man.
Yeah, mate. Do you play tennis, do you, Matty?
No,
Play real men's games or what?
Oh, no, just rock climbing.
Rock climbing?
Pussy sport.
Isn't that a girl sport?
No, fuck off.
What?
Nah, tennis is for pussies.
I think the only reason you go rock climbing, mate, is try and pick up the girls.
Well,
is that true?
If there's a fit chick, then I'll make a move. Why not?
I got you in one, didn't I?
On camera,
First I climb the wall. Then
Barry knows. What these young blokes get up to these days. Rock climbing. None of this bloody Tinder stuff for you, is there, matey? It's all rock climbing.
It's all rock climbing, mate.
Yeah.
I'll climb the women afterwards as well.
Yeah, that's it. Get up that boulder.
Yeah.
He's got good hand strength. That's why he reckons he's got good grip strength. I think it's for different reasons.
Yeah, he's a practice.
Heaps of grip strength.
Shit. No.
You can tell, especially on his right hand.
My grip's actually better on my left somehow.
It swaps over every now and then. I think it's from all the pull-ups you do, mate.
Yep, on my one arms.
The pull-up king.
Oh. Crikey Moses.
See that ninja he come off the bar the other day?
Oh, he's pretty weak.
Fucking hilarious.
Oh, has no grip strength.
Landed on his head.
Yeah, nearly died, mate.
Nearly died.
Yeah.
I was laughing so hard.
Yeah. Where were you?
Oh, I just saw it on video.
Oh, okay. Oh, just making
I
sure.
wasn't actually here.
Yeah, okay. Oh.
Barry's from the bush. I only come down here once a year.
Oh.
How's that?
Yeah, fucking hard. Barry from
Let
the
me
bush.
see. Barry from the bush.
Oh. Oh.
Barry from the bushes, he, Mary, king of the bushes, he. Laugh, Barry, laugh. Laugh, Barry, gay your life must be.
Oh, crikey. Fuck me, Barry. Bazza.
How's that feel, matey?
Mate, you're getting that glute tendon-ish spot. Oh, God.
Giving a bit of love?
Yeah.
Oh, this is what I taught Ninja back in the day.
Yeah, a bit of loving.
Bit of love in that glute. You'll go somewhere someday, Ninja.
Yeah.
I tell him.
Yeah, when you're
You
sick.
do these glute massages on the bloody YouTube. I was telling him before YouTube was even around.
Oh, yeah?
You do these glute massages on the YouTube and you'll be something one day, I told him.
Back when you were 6?
Yeah. No, when he was, when I was 6, mate. Yeah.
How old was he? Negative freaking 15.
Well, Ninja's nearly 50.
Yeah.
Oh, he was 26, I think. 25, yeah, 25, 26.
Oh, true, the other way. I've been,
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. Oh.
They call me a prodigy, a child prodigy.
Oh.
Child massage prodigy.
Yeah.
Been doing this since I was 6 years old.
Treat the kids at school.
Yeah. I used to say, that's your bloody hamstring tendon there, young Matty. What you do, you hook in under there, like that. See? Like that. You pin it. Yeah, that's it. And then hold it. Yeah, like that.
Oh, fucking hell, Barry.
Like it says on the back of here, attachment is the source of suffering. This is what I told Ninja back in the day. Attachment is the source of suffering. The attachment of the hammy is where the suffering starts. It's the source, mate. It's the source. Remember that, young Ninja.
Fucking hell,
You'll go a long way.
So wise.
Yeah. Then he said, scoop the bastard out. Once you lock it in here and you soften it up, scoop the bastard out, I told him.
Holy gosh.
Those words still ring true to him this very day.
Yeah, mate,
I see him on his videos on the YouTube. He's doing exactly what I used to tell him.
Mate, you were raised by freaking pirates, were you, mate?
Pirates.
When you were a wee little lad.
Yeah. Scottish pirates.
Oh, shizzle. Oh, crikey, Moses on a stick. Oh, crap. Oh, fuck.
You know what a pirate's favourite letter is?
R?
R. No, they like the R,
Yeah.
but they're mighty fond of the C.
I knew it was a fucking double joke. Oh,
It's a
crap.
dad joke from Barry. We've got no kids, but it's a dad joke still.
Oh, crap. Oh, shizzle.
How's that, mate?
Fucking,
Nailing it?
you're nailing it.
Nailing it, mate.
Oh, fuck.
That's
dude.
why I paid Ninja the big bucks. I taught him this stuff. I can get a bloke back on the park within days. I say, the hamstring drift off the zone, Ninja. And he says, nah, you'll be right, I'll fix ya. Just like Barry. Barry taught him all those years ago.
Yeah, you definitely, you like Mark Ninja, but like 5 times more of him.
More handsome,
Sure.
more handsome,
More handsome, more character,
more authentic.
more authentic.
Look at those legs. I don't make legs like these anymore.
You might have to censor some of this.
I don't make legs like this anymore. This is the end of year special.
So I guess I can talk about my hamstring a bit at this point.
Yeah, you've got the
After that spill.
yeah, it's all yours, mate.
Yep.
The floor is yours, mate. Don't let me interrupt you, all right? Don't let me interrupt you, all right?
Oh, please,
Just
Harry.
go for it, go for it. Just speak your mind. Speak your bloody mind, okay?
Shut the fuck up.
What do you got to say?
Oh.
Wait, just say it.
Well.
Don't hesitate, just do.
Okay. So, I went rock climbing and I did a hard climb and I cramped my leg when I was up the wall. And I did the wall, which was cool. But then when I was driving the next day at the end of the drive, when I was trying to accelerate, my hamstring was cramping. I was like, oh shit, I'm on the freeway, what do I do? I can't do anything. So I just like drove with my heel instead of my forefoot, and that fixed it, but I was in danger territory. And 2 days later, I'm here getting my hamstrings done. It didn't stop me from lifting. Oh, jeez.
Lifted well last night, Matty.
Yeah, got to 190.
Nearly got 200 twice.
Yeah,
Twice.
at the first one I was like, I gave my all and I was like, shizzle.
Got it 3/4.
Yeah, nearly. Nearly got it.
To the knees.
Yeah.
The look on your face was amazing.
Yeah, it looked really evil.
Yeah.
Looked,
I wish I got the first one on camera, but I got the second one.
What was that like?
Yeah, it was more bulldog.
More bulldog?
More bulldog. Full bulldog.
Jeez, love the bulldogs.
Ugly face.
No.
We could see what you would look like.
No. In a fight?
Yeah, in a fight when you're looking mean and ugly people.
Yeah.
Bit of wrestling.
Wrestling.
Love it,
Wrestling.
I know what you kids get up to. In your wrestling.
Oh, man.
How we going here?
Referring so hardcore.
Yeah.
To the foot. Oh, crikey roses. Oh, my foot's like numb a bit. Good sign.
Good sign.
Yeah.
We'll take that as a good sign, alright?
Yeah.
Barry knows best.
Yeah, who taught you, Barry?
Barry, I'm self-taught.
Oh, right.
I'm a child prodigy, remember?
Yeah, when you're 6.
Child massage prodigy.
Yeah.
6 years old, I was people coming from all over the world just to see me.
Just to see the 6-year-old.
6-year-old kid that could fix anything.
Bunch of groomers they were.
6-year-old kid, I could do anything.
Yep.
Had the strength of 20 men. The smarts of all the gurus.
Straight out of the womb.
Straight out of the womb. Come out kicking goals.
Nice.
Come out with a giant thumb.
Yeah, sure. Your thumb bigger than Ninja's? Or?
Oh, I reckon me and Ninja had fucking got pretty even thumbs.
Oh, right.
I haven't been in the game that long.
Once a year,
I haven't been practicing that much, I'd say.
Yeah.
So my thumb shrunk quite a bit. It was double this.
Oh, nice.
So
where can people find you if they want to be treated?
Dude, just word of mouth only to get me. Word of mouth only. You got to know people to come in and see me.
They can't see you at your local bush, man?
Nah.
No.
I only come down once a year from the bush, Barry from the bush. Yeah, you'll be lucky if you get an appointment with me. I just live off the land. I don't need money.
Yeah.
I don't need money. I just live off the land, off the grid.
Off the grid, mate.
Off the grid.
That's the
best
best
place
way
to be. In touch with nature.
Yeah.
In the sun every day when it's sunny.
Yeah. As opposed.
Go to the beach. I go to the mountains. I go to the springs. I go to the waterfalls. I live in line with nature.
Lovely.
Authenticity and nature. It's the way to go.
That is.
Anyway, I think you're done, Matty.
Oh, fuck, I think I am.
I'll just steal this one from Ninja.
Yeah.
Done!
Oh, crikey, Moses, that was hardcore. Far out, Barry.
You'll be right, mate. You'll be right. Walk it off.
Yep.
I've got to go back to the bush. Hey, Matty, what's going on, mate?
Oh, mate, Barry's back in town, mate. He treated my hamstring.
Barry, that cowboy massage bloke from the bush.
Yeah.
Don't go near that bloke. He knows nothing.
Really?
He's a pretender.
Oh.
He reckons he taught me everything he knows, but mate, nah. He's just full of shit.
Fuck.
Showbags, we call him.
Oh, yeah, full of
Looks
nothing.
good on the outside, full of shit on the inside. Come with me, mate. Let's get you on the table again. We'll fix you up, man. Fix you up.
Thank you. Oh, God.
Jump on, mate. Jump on, mate. Okay. All right. To be continued. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh.